Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your EVS class. Children, we have completed chapter 7 and I have sent you the exercises, also extra questions. So today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 8, clothes we wear. So please all of you take your EVS book, chapter 8, page number 44. Children, I hope you have taken the EVS book, chapter 8, page number 44. Look, page number 44, chapter 8. What is that? Clothes we wear. The chapter tells us, the title of the chapter is the clothes we wear. We are going to learn about the clothes that you are wearing every day. First, we are going to see here, what is that? What are some of your favorite clothes that you like to wear? Write them here. What you will do, with the help of your mother or your father, you will write down here about the clothes that you like, your favorite clothes that you like to wear. You will write down one by one here. Okay, now we are going to the chapter. What do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body. Why we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body. Okay, they protect us from the heat of the sun, cold, wind and rain. So why do we wear clothes? To cover our body, and they will protect us from the heat, cold, wind and rain, etc. They make us neat and smart. Okay, they will make us to look neat and smart. Now let us see some of the clothes. What are they? They have given in the chapter. Look at these pictures of some clothes that we wear. What are they? We will see. See here, first one is in red color. This is t-shirt. This is known as t-shirt. Second one, this blue color, it is known as shorts. It is a short pants. Next one, it is in yellow color. What is that? It is a frock that girls wear. Okay. Then coat. This is used by students for the school with their uniform in winter season. Then by other members of our family and friends for winter or other any celebration, they wear the top of their dress. Next one is in what color? This is a slight pink. It is a shirt. Who will wear this shirt? This shirt will be worn by our father or grandfather, uncle. Okay. Next one, it is a trouser. It is called trouser. Next one, what is that? Kurta pajama. It is. Next one is sari. Who will wear the sari? Our mother, grandmother, auntie will wear the sari. The next one, salwar kameez. Salwar. So where our didis will wear. Next one, sweater. The sweater we wear during the cold season. Next one, jacket. See, this jacket also is used during the cold season. Okay, children, these are some of the clothes that we wear and use for our daily need. As for the need, Now we'll see which of these are worn by boys and men? Circle them with a blue pencil. Okay, which are worn by boys and men. What the t-shirt will, who will wear? T-shirt will, the boys will wear the t-shirt, shorts, a coat, shirts, trouser, jacket, etc. Then kurta. So what we'll do? We will circle it. This t-shirt is used by boy. This short pant is used by the boy. Okay. Then the coat also can be used by boy or girl. Then shirt, it is used by a father, man. Okay. Then trouser, this is used by a father, man. Then kurta, this pajama, this also used by men. Then this sweater, which has no button here, is used by men. Okay, this can be used by both men and women, but okay, men and women can be. Now they are asked you to draw the boys and the men's dress with a blue pencil, and the second one, which of these are worn by girls and women? So circle them with a red pencil. Okay children, you will take color if you have, you will take and circle, or we will do it, we will make it a line. That's enough. So now here you see the frock, it is by girl. Girl will wear the frock. Next, this sari is, who will wear? A mother. Then salwar by a sister, they will wear. Okay. Now we will come to this page number 45. See, uniforms. We have many clothes to wear, but uniform we will be wearing particular time. When are they? We'll see. Uniforms. Some people wear special clothes to work. This is called their uniform. During work time, some people use a special dress. Like you all use uniform in the school. So they also use, that is called uniform. Children also wear a uniform to school. The uniform shows us which school the child goes to. So the uniform which you are using, having, is not you from which school you are studying. Okay children, look at here, we'll see some of the people who are wearing the uniform. Nurse is wearing the uniform to work. Then this is a police officer who is wearing the uniform to work. Working time they will use this uniform. Then here you see the doctor, she is wearing the apron. She is using at her workplace. Okay, like you, they also will have uniform. Okay children, we will end our class here. Okay, we learnt chapter 8, clothes to wear, the clothes that we need, and what are the clothes that we use, men and women, boys and girls. Then we saw the uniform, which is important for the person who works in a place. So which tells the person where working and which school they are studying. Okay, we will end our class here with this uniform topic, and we will see the next kinds of clothes in the next class. Okay children, so please you all read and especially fill it, this column, and complete and learn the exercise, learn the chapter. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. Okay children, wish you all the best. Bye, do well.